Hello everyone, it's Frances. With Your Book of Memories, I've got another project here that I really think you'll love. Welcome back, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick project share. And if you're new, it's just wonderful to be here with you. I created my ephemera folio design, but this time I used the Paper Studio Navy Floral Designs. And I got this paper pack on sale for $5.50, and I just thought that this would just be such a cute book. I can see it as a wedding book, very elegant and classy, or a girl's night out, or anything else that your imagination would allow. I am just in love with the acetate frame right on the front. I did no embellishments as I wanted to keep it really soft and gentle, and we do have the paper really speaking for it right there. And right here on the spine I have like a little ring fastener. You can even attach any kind of ribbon on here that you want, or even maybe the initials. On the side of the book right here you can see through the album, so this acetate pouch inside is just so much fun to make. Oh my goodness. And I will leave the link to the class down in the description. I had so much fun making it. And if you're wondering what it's like to sit in class with me, I have a free tutorial here on my YouTube channel ready to go. So right here on the front inside cover, I've got this wonderful place for a picture, and then it's an actual pocket so you can access the acetate frame and switch out your photo for the front. And I've got a wonderful little string closure and a brad. I just have to bring this up just so you can see the beauty of the way that it shines and how wonderful it looks. I am just going to be so excited to see what you make. But you're probably thinking, Frances, what in the... Yep, it actually magnetizes off, and the whole pouch you can access on its own. We've got all these cute little goodies on the inside. I just love it. And here's the cute little box on its own. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I'm just going to tie it up, put it off to the side so we can look at all the goodies on the inside. Oh my goodness, the first element right here. If you have not seen this book filled up with baby paper yet, you can go ahead and check out this video right up top. That's with my son's baby pictures. We've got this floating pocket and 3 little picture spaces right there, and we've got a booklet on the inside. So I'm going to start out with this piece first. I just love it. Totally customizable. Look at this. Oh my goodness, you can embellish this any way that you like. That slips right back inside there. And then we have a nice uncropped photo right here for a 5x7. Okay, that's just brilliant. And look at this. You can fit like a stack of 24x6s inside this. I am just beyond happy about this. I mean, photo storage for days. A trip to Disneyland, you can stack a bunch of them in there and paste all your most favorite ones on these floating picture mats that just hang out in the book. Of course, picture right here. Front and back on there even if you wanted. And 4x6 there. And then we have this cute little gatefold. I have a little bit of twine closing this one. And we can fit 4x4 pictures in here. So here's a cute little waterfall. Oh my goodness, look at the polka dot paper. I am just, this paper just brought this book together so wonderfully. And you would just tie this back up to keep it closed. And I really like this next feature. Once you get some photos on here, you'll definitely have this belly band stay in structure, and you can also put a beautiful element right on the front, but this belly band slips off and gives you access to open up this gatefold. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. Yes, we have a 4x6 photo frame in here again, a little picture mat, and then a hidden pocket on the back for another 5x7. You can go landscape, vertical, any direction you want. This is your book. You could do it your way. And of course, we have access on here. And that slips right back in. I just am in love, and you would just bring the book back in and honestly stack them in any order that you'd like. So I thought it was fun to have an interactive element that pops off. You can hand it to grandma, to mom, to sister, and you guys can all just flip through. I like to layer them up first, just like this. And my favorite element on the front, because it looks really fun to kind of have this guy showing up, and we slip them in like this. Close it up, magnetize it back, and then we're in business. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I'll leave the class link down below. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Catch you next time. Bye.